Globale Schulden beziehen sich auf die Gesamtsumme des Geldes, das Regierungen, Unternehmen und Haushalte weltweit schulden. Diese enorme Summe beeinflusst Volkswirtschaften auf globaler Ebene, wirkt sich auf Zinssätze, Inflation und finanzielle Stabilität aus. Für einzelne Sparer ist das Verständnis der globalen Schulden entscheidend, da sie den Wert von Ersparnissen, Anlageerträgen und sogar die Arbeitsplatzsicherheit beeinflussen können. Veränderungen im Niveau der globalen Schulden führen oft zu Verschiebungen in der Wirtschaftspolitik, die persönliche Finanzen direkt oder indirekt betreffen können. Indem sie über globale Schuldenentwicklungen informiert bleiben, können Sparer strategischere Entscheidungen treffen, um ihr Vermögen zu schützen und zu vermehren.
Global debt has reached unprecedented levels in recent years, with estimates surpassing $300 trillion across governments, businesses, and households. This surge has been driven by factors such as pandemic-related spending, low interest rates, and ongoing economic uncertainties. Notably, both advanced and emerging economies have contributed to this rise, with government borrowing accounting for a significant portion. Recent trends indicate that while some countries are attempting to stabilize or reduce their debt, others continue to face mounting fiscal pressures. These developments have sparked concerns about long-term financial stability and the potential impact on global economic growth. Governments and central banks play a crucial role in managing national debt through various policies and financial instruments. They may issue bonds, adjust interest rates, or implement fiscal measures to ensure that debt levels remain sustainable. However, these strategies are not without risks. Excessive borrowing can lead to higher interest payments and reduced financial flexibility, while sudden changes in economic conditions may make it difficult to repay existing obligations. If not managed carefully, rising debt can undermine economic stability and investor confidence. Rising global debt can have significant effects on inflation, interest rates, and currency values. When governments and businesses borrow more, increased spending can drive up demand, potentially leading to higher inflation. To counteract inflation, central banks may raise interest rates, making borrowing more expensive and slowing economic activity. Additionally, high levels of debt can impact investor confidence in a country's currency, sometimes causing its value to fluctuate. These interconnected factors highlight how global debt levels play a crucial role in shaping the broader economic landscape. Global debt levels have a significant influence on personal savings, both directly and indirectly. As governments and institutions accumulate debt, inflationary pressures may rise, eroding the purchasing power of individual savings over time. Higher debt can also lead to increased interest rates, which may affect the returns on investments such as bonds or savings accounts. Additionally, economic instability caused by excessive debt can create uncertainty in financial markets, impacting the value and growth of personal investments. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for individuals seeking to protect and grow their savings in a changing economic landscape. In a high-debt global environment, safeguarding personal savings becomes increasingly important. Individuals can start by diversifying their investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce exposure to any single risk. Maintaining an emergency fund in a stable currency can also provide a buffer against economic uncertainty. Additionally, staying informed about global financial trends and regularly reviewing one's financial plan can help adapt to changing conditions. Consulting with financial professionals may further enhance the effectiveness of these protective strategies. Safeguarding your financial future begins with understanding your current financial situation and setting clear, achievable goals. It's important to diversify your investments and regularly review your financial plans to adapt to changing circumstances. Building an emergency fund and maintaining good credit are essential steps to protect against unexpected setbacks. Staying informed about financial trends and seeking professional advice when needed can further strengthen your financial security. By taking these proactive measures, you can create a stable foundation for long-term financial well-being. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate your time and interest in this presentation. We hope the information provided was helpful and insightful. Stay tuned for more content in the future.